Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Can you Venmo to Revolut? I know that a lot of people are looking for ways to send and receive money internationally, and Venmo and Revolut are two popular options. But can you use them together? The short answer is yes, you can Venmo to Revolut. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to make sure that you have a Revolut account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for one for free. Once you have a Revolut account, you'll need to add a bank account to it. This will allow you to transfer money to and from your Revolut account. Next, you'll need to get a Venmo account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for one for free. Once you have a Venmo account, you'll need to link your Revolut account to it. This can be done by going to the Settings tab in the Venmo app and selecting Linked Accounts. Once you've linked your accounts, you can send money from Venmo to Revolut. To do this, simply open the Venmo app and select the person you want to send money to. Then, enter the amount you want to send and select Revolut as the payment method. The money will then be transferred to your Revolut account. You can then use it to make purchases or withdraw it as cash. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when sending money from Venmo to Revolut. There is a fee for sending money from Venmo to Revolut. The fee is 1.5% of the amount you send, with a minimum fee of 25 cents. The money will usually be transferred to your Revolut account within a few minutes. However, it can sometimes take up to 24 hours. You can only send money from Venmo to Revolut if you have a verified Venmo account. So, there you have it. You can Venmo to Revolut. However, there are a few things you need to keep in mind before you do. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.